Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Seperti biasa, kita ni akan memulakan sesi pembelajaran kita ni dengan berselawat ke atas Rasulullah SAW selama 2 minit. Terlebih dahulu, kita ni membaca 3 niat penting ini. Yang pertama, kami niatkan selawat kami untuk memenuhi perintah Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Yang kedua, kami niatkan selawat kami untuk memenuhi hak Rasulullah SAW. Dan yang ketiga, kami niatkan selawat kami untuk mendapat syafaat Rasulullah SAW di akhirat kelak. Semoga dengan berselawat, Allah akan membukakan hati dan minda para pelajar untuk menerima ilmu dan memanfaatkan ilmu tersebut di masa akan datang. Disarankan kepada semua pelajar untuk membaca doa di dalam hati selama 2 minit berselawat. Doa untuk kedua orang tua, keluarga, diri sendiri dan apa saja doa yang ingin para pelajar sampaikan. Okay? 2 minutes from now.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد 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 اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد
Doa sebelum belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min hazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Ya Allah, bukakanlah ke atas kami hikmat-hikmatmu dan limpahilah ke atas kami khazanah rahmatmu. Wahai yang maha pemurah lagi maha penyayang.
Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Ya Rabbku, lapangkanlah untukku dadaku dan mudahkanlah untukku urusanku dan lepaskanlah kekakuan dari lidahku, supaya mereka mengerti perkataanku.
Amin.
Amin, amin, amin. Ya Rabbal Alamin. Topic for today will be order of operation. Can you please get ready with your notes, page 15, and your worksheet, page 13 and 14. Pay attention. You have 2 tasks. Task number 1, you need to watch this video lesson and complete your notes. And the second task, you need to complete your worksheet. Okay, worksheet page 13 and 14. After you already complete all your notes and worksheet, don't forget to upload it into your Google Classroom, into the folders provided. Learning outcomes. When we say learning outcomes, that means our target in this topic, okay? And by the end of the lesson, you should be able to explain and use the order of operations, including brackets. And the second one, you should be able to carry out more calculation involving the for operation. If any of these points you haven't achieved, you still not understand what the topic is, you need to revise. Okay, that means our target is still not achievable. You get me or not? Okay, so make sure you're able to explain the order of operation, including brackets, and you're able to carry out more calculation involving the for operation. That means you understand. Order of operation. Order of operation is not that new to you. You already learned this topic during your primary level. Okay? It is a set of rules that is to be followed in a particular sequence while solving an expression. Order means susunan. Okay? So when we say order of operation, susunan of that operation. Alright? Which one come first, which one that we need to solve first than the others. That is what we call as order of operation. To solve order of operation, we need the rules. Okay, this rule will set which one that we need to solve first. Now, the first one, do everything inside parentheses, bracket. Okay, parentheses, we also call it bracket. Alright, whatever inside the bracket, do it first. Okay, then the second one, then do exponents, power. If you have any powers, any exponents, then you should do that one first. That one next, okay? That one next. Exponent, you already covered these exponents in index notation. Exponent means power, okay? And the third one, do multiples and divides from left to right. This one student always confused, okay? This part student always confused. Same goes to this one. Then do the adds and subtracts from left to right. This one also student always confused. Now, listen. It say from left to right. So whatever on your left, that one you need to solve first. It's either multiples or divides, whatever the first left from the left, that one you need to solve first. Okay, same goes with this number 4. Then do the adds and subtracts from left to right. Whatever on your left, that one you need to do first. Either it's plus or minus when it comes from the left, so do it first. Okay, clear? Okay, let's try example 1. I put the rules beside here so that you can refer. Now, evaluate without using calculator. I will give you 2 minutes to try these questions. Okay? 2 minutes from now. Okay, now let us discuss the answers. If you see for both A and B, we don't have any brackets and we don't have any exponents. So you can skip number 1 and 2. We just focus with 3 and 4. Now, if you can see here, we have multiply and division, divide and multiply. So whatever that comes first from the left, we solve that one first. Okay, so we solve 10 times 18 will give you this one. So from here we have plus, subtract and divides. Divides come first, number 3 here. Alright, so we do like this, and then again plus and minus. Whatever comes first from the left, we do that one first. So we do that plus first, and you should get this one, 256. Please copy this down into your notes. Make sure you copy down the correct answers. Okay, I will check your notes later on. Now proceed with B. B again, we don't have any brackets, so just skip 1 and 2. So I believe you already understand why I first do this part. 64 divided by 8. Okay, then we got this one. After that, multiply first. Then you get this one. Division. Then you get this one. And we do the plus first because it is from left. Okay, from left, that is plus. So we plus, and your final answer will be 853. Now, part C and D, I will give you 2 minutes to try. Okay, now let us discuss the answers. For part C, we have bracket. Okay, so you need to solve that one first. And then solve multiply first because from left that is the first one. Then you should get this one. We solve divides. you should get this one, and then whatever comes first from left, that one you need to solve first. So you should get this value, and your final answer should be 330. Okay, for part D we don't have any bracket, so you can skip 1 and 2. From here we take division first because it comes first from left, and you should get this, and we do the multiplication first, and then you got this value, and we solve plus first because that is the first from the left, and you should get 1842. Moving on. Example 2. Evaluate using a calculator. If the question asks you to use calculator, so you should use your calculator, okay, to save time and to help you in your calculation. Now, I will give you 2 minutes to try. And can you please add another bracket here? This is the close bracket for this one. Okay, I missed that part. Okay, thank you. Okay, now 2 minutes from now. Okay, now. But we have bracket, so we do the bracket first. You should get this one. We do the multiples first, multiplication first, and you should get this value, and your final answer will be 6,609. Okay, part B, you solve that one first, and the one in bracket, in that bracket, okay, so you should get 34 and solve this one first until you completely solve this part, okay. So we continue. 56 divided by 7, you will get 8, and then you solve 21 times 34, you should get 714, and solve until become one single number like this, okay. So 8 plus 714, you should get 722. After that, subtract 722 from this 1145, so you should get 423 as your final answer. Next, example 2, part C. Okay, this question's actually easy, but some students skip these questions in exam. Please try, okay? Please try. It's not that difficult. Now, I will give you 1 minute to try these questions. Okay, now, you solve the one with bracket first. You should get 31. And solve this one, you should get 3 as your final answer. Okay, and this will be our last part for these topics. Hopefully you will understand this order of operation. This order of operation is really important. Okay, even up to your O level. So just focus with these rules. First, you do everything inside parentheses, bracket. Okay, the original bracket in the questions. And second one, if you have any exponent power, you do that one as the second step. And the third one, do multiples and divides from left to right. Whatever comes first from left, you do that one first, okay? And 4, then do the adds and subtracts from left to right. Whatever comes from the left first, that one you need to do first, okay? So this will be the end of our topics. Thank you so much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Doa selepas belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni astaudi'uka ma 'allamtani fardudhu ilayya inda hajati ilaihi wala tansani ya rabbal alamin. Ya Allah, sesungguhnya aku menitipkan padamu ilmu-ilmu yang telah engkau ajarkan kepadaku, dan kembalikanlah kepadaku sewaktu aku memerlukannya kembali. Dan janganlah engkau lupakan aku kepada ilmu itu, wahai Tuhan yang memiliki semesta alam. Amin.